Okay, so today I have a extra large spicy red hot voice crack spicy red hot beef and bean burrito, as you can see. So I got this like yesterday in a little town called Scrontine. Let's open this thing up. Okay. Why? Alright. Let's take a couple bites and see how this goes. Going in. Let me move back. I don't want you guys to hear me chewing. Another ASMR. Let's inspect some more. Alright, let's take one more bite. Okay. Well, overall, it tasted good. It tasted beef. I don't know about the beans though. But I'll probably have to rate it a 3 out of 5. Because as you can see, it says spicy with the flames. And it's very, I feel like that's deceptive because it's not that spicy. On spiciness scale, I guess we'll do this out of 5. Maybe like 0.3 spice out of 5. So you're not gonna bring the heat with this one. So 3 out of 5 El Monterey, or however you pronounce this. Good taste. Well, that's another food review. See ya.